Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your assignment 1, chapter 3. It is going to get you used to calculating taxes and how to do multiple formulas within. And the information for how to do this is within your book. They do tell you how to do it. And for instance, after you get all the formatting of the titles and the boxes looking alike, because you're going to go from what looks like this to what looks like this. Okay, but if you look on number 7, it says insert columns to the right of the gross pay. Okay, so the right of the gross pay, and I left those up. And you add the column titles taxable income right here, Social Security, and Medicare in columns F3 to H3, F3 to H3. All right, and then you need to center all the contents from B through K3. So from B right here through K3, all right? And it goes on to tell you how to calculate the Social Security and Medicare taxes in column G and H by multiplying the tax rates in the tax rate tables by the gross pay, all right? Okay, and also in number 7, it says that you're supposed to calculate Social Security and Medicare taxes in columns G and H, which is these two, by multiplying the tax rates in the tax rate tables right here by the gross pay. So you would pick Social Security, that's the tax rate for that one. And then Medicare, there's the tax rate for that one, by the gross pay, which is this right here, okay? Remember, this is Excel, so you need to do that calculation using a formula in each of these. And remember, when you get the number, you can left click and hold when you get the formula and drag it down, all right? If you're a little intimidated by this, do this calculation by hand using paper and pencil and your handy dandy calculator to determine the correct answer and the way to do it. Make sure, if you kind of look back and you're not sure, does it make sense what you're looking at? In other words, these are 3 digits, okay, after the decimal points are 3 digits, so this really can't end up with 6 digits or 7 digits, okay? It needs to be, down here, the most the answer is for taxable income is 4 digits. So just kind of sit back and look at it and see if it makes sense. Federal tax calculations, okay, this one. 2 tiers of income tax, which are applied to the taxable income. All right, 2 tiers means if you make so much, it's one amount, and then after that, you have to calculate it a different way. And so read that again, make notes, do it with pencil and paper, and then add it, put in the formula that way, and you can do it. And it goes on to tell you about doing the gross pay and Social Security. Again, 7, 8, 9, and 10 tells you how to do all this. Read it carefully. Do it with pencil and paper if you need to first. And then you just shade it and center them and add borders and that type of thing. I want to note that this is just some short information of what you're supposed to do. This is not all of it. I need you to make sure you look at your book and follow all the instructions. All right? If you have any questions, let me know.